So we're out here in the baseball field. As you can tell, we're out here in a baseball field. We're in Narrows. I'm out here watching my little nephew play ball. I just wanted to take a minute, just to let everybody know how we was doing. It's nice today up here in Narrows. I'm glad that, they fixed this place up, with the field. It's actually looked pretty good, There's a lot of people here, so, but that's a new concession stand. I actually helped build the roof and we put the metal roof on too. When I was on probation and worked for the town to work off my fines, I actually did a lot of this weed eat and everything. Lowered this. Actually this used to be pretty rough looking. The river is right way down there. That's actually the river. But it's actually really nice around here. A good place of the mountains. As you can tell, there's mountains all around us. There's mountains all around us. That's why I love West Virginia. We're still in the Virginia part, but where I live at, it's between Rich Creek, Narrows, Peterstown, West Virginia, and we live Glenland, and there's Oakville and all toward there. That's actually where I'm from. So it's right on the line, right on the West Virginia line. Live in a great community, I actually live in the town of Narrows, and only thing that's actually separating would be a creek. It's a little creek, and it's down Rich Creek, and it's right between Peterstown and Rich Creek. There's like this little creek, and that's the line. But that's how it works. I love it where I live though. I'm actually out here smoking a cigarette. They don't like you to smoke on school property, and well, I'm smoking. But it's only cigarettes. It's nice today. I had to come watch my little nephew play ball. I actually got one of his touchdowns on camera, and I posted it. It was a really proud moment. Really proud moment. Y'all should check it out. It's like the first video that I posted today. It's under Colton's second touchdown because he scored 2. He might have scored another one since I've been smoking. I'm not for sure. But he's a good player. He's a good ball player. But I'm gonna get off here and head back over here to my wife and my family. I just figured I'd walk off and smoke a cigarette and touch bases on what I'm doing on this glorious Sunday. And I hope everybody has a good Sunday today. I'm actually looking forward to the Rick and Moses show on tonight. That's one of my classic Sundays now. I usually sit down and watch the Rick and Moses show, for Sunday night. But, a big shout out to them, for me and my wife. My wife's a big fan too of y'all. So I just want to thank everybody. She usually don't mess around with the Facebook like I do, but I'm into it pretty good, I like to keep up with something. I'm not allowed on social media. My wife, she doesn't like it, I'm not even on Messenger no more. But that's what it is. It sounds like a helicopter or something around here. Hopefully we catch a helicopter landing. Oh, yeah. There it is. That's pretty cool. I would say they looking for pot, but it's legal. It's legal, so they ain't looking for pot no more. And that thing's flying pretty low, though. It's pretty cool. Well, I'm glad y'all got to see a helicopter today flying over where we're at. But I want to thank everybody and touch bases with y'all. And y'all have a great day today. And thanks. Thanks for watching my video, and hit that like button. Hit that subscribe too, if you can. I'm trying to get up to 50 likes, so I can eventually go live. But with YouTube, you have to have 50 people like or subscribe, or you can't, go live. But I'm hoping to get the chance to go live with y'all. That'd be alright. But right now I'm at 35 subscribers. So if y'all could start hitting that subscribe and like button, that'd be great, And thank y'all so much.